Hello, these are SolidWorks 2016 tutorials. Now in this video we will show you how to use section view in drawings of your assemblies, so it's slightly different. Now let's just open that Volve assembly SolidWorks drawing we made earlier, and let's just delete some of these views. So we will delete this detail view and these two as well. So, and then we will just create section views. Okay, so let's click here and click on delete, and delete this one as well. Okay, now in order to create a section view, we go to view layout and click on section view. Now if we do that, just like with parts, we can use different cutting lines. So we can make it vertical, we can make it horizontal, we can make it auxiliary and rotate it, and we can make it aligned, so something like this. Let's just create a vertical line, zoom in a bit, and let's just put it to center here, and now right click there and click OK. Now as you see, these two arrows are showing our section plane, and we can see the direction from where do we look at this part. Okay, so the difference between these section views and those with parts is that we can exclude some of the components we don't want to section out. So let's just delete this and let's create this again, and when we right click we get this menu now, and it says excluded components or rib features. So basically, if we don't want to, let's say, cut out some of the parts, we go to our drawing view, click on this, and now we can just select parts that we don't want to cut. So let's just select the spring and the spring guide and click OK. Now our section view is slightly different. Now if we for some reason want to exclude more of our file or our parts, we can do that like this. So we just select our view, right click on it, and we click on properties. Now in here we can see our section scope, and now we can just go to our tree and select, let's say, these four, I don't know, and click OK. And that's the way you do that. Now if we want to, let's say, add only partial cross section, let's just first add this projected view just like that, and we want to add another section view. So we click here, and instead of selecting section, we can just select half section, and then we can select these different ways to do it. So let's just select this first one, and we get this line, and now we can simply add something like this. Okay, and also we can select our section scope, so parts we don't want to exclude, etc. Now we can also flip direction, also exclude fasteners, auto hatch and stuff. So let's just click OK, and now we have only half of our part sectioned out. So these are all quite useful tools that you can use to show properties of your part, actually of your assembly, and in order to sometimes simplify our drawings and make less drawings. So basically that's it. You just use section view and you can just play around with properties and different sections. So let's just close this and save.